I've got the 100K resistors in, and now I'm taking the 330R and I'm bending it. I'm usually not as clumsy when I'm not working in front of the camera. Insert in the resistor, bending the leads in, getting it flush, and then flipping around, bending the resistor over. I'll often do all the resistors at a time in a small kit like this, especially when there's only 6 total. Got all the resistors in, folded so that they don't slip around when turning it over, and then 550 degrees on the soldering iron. And just heating the connection, and then dabbing on the solder, letting it dip in there and seal around the connection. I often like to solder both legs of a resistor at the same time, making sure that nothing gets mixed. Sometimes if you just go in a row, you forget one and clip off all the leads and realize, there's one left over. Resistors are really hard to damage, so you can take your time when heating the connection. Most components are like that, except the black ones like transistors and ICs, and that's why we use sockets, for the ICs at least.